I was talking to one of my clients last week who has had massive growth, and they had an interesting concern, and it was, we want to make sure that when we get bigger and huge, that we don't lose that really important stuff that helped us get where we are now. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a simple process that you can go through to help avoid this. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com, and I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in their business, and to build something that can sell for a lot of money someday when it's time to move on. So here's the scenario. My client has had massive growth in the past year and a half, and they started to get really concerned. Like, we want to make sure that we don't get so big that we lose that special quality, those qualities that helped us to get where we are. So here's what they're doing on a monthly basis. Get everybody together and let them know we're going to have a brainstorming session on what makes us great, what makes this team awesome, and start to brainstorm on everything that you do that has helped you grow to the point where you're at now. What are you doing with your customers? What are you doing with your referral sources? What are you doing with team members? What are you doing with training? All these great things that you've done over the years, especially in the past couple of years, to help you really grow. And then part two, think about what are all the things that you want to avoid as a big company. And I always like to get people started with, if you're stuck on this, think about the phone company, the internet and TV cable provider, maybe even your healthcare insurance company. What are they doing that bothers you? What do you have to make sure that you don't do as you continue to grow so that people continue to love you? So those are the two tips. Have this meeting once a month and talk about all the things that you have to keep doing. And then step two, talk about all the things that you have to avoid like the plague. If you want to know more about how I might be able to help you and how I help other clients, just click the link below this video and book a call with me. We'll talk for 15-20 minutes, and I guarantee you'll come away with some actionable steps that you can take to make improvements in your business. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.